the software itself. So I am just opening the RoadRunner. You need to install this software based on the license that you have. And then once you install it, then you can click on the new scene and the new project. And then here, for example, I'm creating a project as tutorial, right? And then it's a new folder that I'm creating. So this new folder, I click on it and select folder. And it says, would you like to include the asset library? What does that mean is, for example, additional asset like building it has, or trees, or other traffic lanes, or signs, right? These are that we want, right? I just click on yes. Okay, this is the softwares. When you open it first time, you can see this type of softwares. So first thing that I want to say is just click on this road plan tool. Click on it, and then you can see the attributes. For example, the driving direction, right or left, which is we are in the North America, which is the right? So then just right click here and right click here. So you can see that the road is created, right? Now, how to navigate, how to see this road from different angles. So you need to first, if you see here, I have put 4 tips: rotation, zoom, and horizontal move, and focus, right? So rotation is hold Alt on the keyboard and left click mouse button, hold, and then move your mouse. You can move it, right? So we can see this road from different angle now, because this is 3D software, unlike Vissim or Sumo, which are mainly 2-dimensional software, right? So now question is how to zoom. So I want to zoom to this road. Just scroll in. You can see the road surface, and then the curve, right? And then zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, right? So I'm using middle mouse button. And then horizontal move is hold Alt, hold left mouse and right mouse at the same time and move mouse. So hold Alt and left mouse, right mouse button, hold it, and then move. So it moves horizontally, right? So I can see, for example. So instead of that, you can, instead of left and right, you can use the middle mouse button. But if you are like me and you don't have the middle mouse button, or the middle mouse button is not working, then just alternatively you can say left and right and then hold, right? So you can just, yeah. So for the focus on an object, click on the object and press F. So now, for example, I want to rotate, right? So I hold Alt and then I'll rotate, right? So what about the focus on the object? So if I want, I say, for example, I click here and then press F, it focuses here, right? So this, and then if I, let's say, I'm holding Alt and left and right, click on here, click on the shoulder. It's not click on the shoulder right now. For clicking on different sections of this road or segments, you need to press on lane tool. So left click on the lane tool, click on it, and then zoom in, and then this is the shoulder, let's say, right? So just zoom out, and now press F, right? It's focusing, it's not zooming, it's focusing. So now if I zoom, then it will just zoom to that part of sections, right? So what I mean is, if I, for example, select all and then press F, if I just simply scroll in, it zooms here, right? It's nothing, it zooms nowhere, right? But if I click on this link and press F, if I scroll, it zooms here, right? So try to practice uh, this, because you need to get used to it, right? So uh, now, yeah, one more thing is this, the mouse. You can see, for example, if I just move the mouse here and then scroll on zoom, you can see I'm zooming there, right? So just delete this one. So you need to go to the road plan and then just delete whole. Uh, now